Go ahead, Will. Move on to the next one.
Okay.
I'm dead.
Here's some lighter news.
Missouri mayor wants to give every resident 1,000 in Bitcoin.
Here you go.
That's helpful. I'll take it. Where do I got to move to? I got to move to...
Missouri.
Yeah, but which town?
Oh, the town?
Cool
Valley.
Oh, I'm in. Let's go. Cool Valley.
Yeah.
Residents of a little-known Missouri town could become the first in the nation to dole out cryptocurrency to its residents. That dream could become a reality if the mayor of Cool Valley, Jason Stewart, has his way. He has begun to raise funds in order to give the town's 1,500 or so residents a crash course in cryptocurrency by giving them 1,000 in BTC each. I have friends whose lives have been completely changed, like going from working a regular 9-to-5 job to being worth over $80 million.
I know a guy.
Yeah. He adds that most of the capital to fund the project will be donated from several anonymous Bitcoin investors. I have supportive donors who have agreed to match any money that I raise up to several million dollars. Okay, so this is people trying to further the Bitcoin cause, and they want to be embedded in this community in some way. And they're like, $1,000 in Bitcoin to each resident, 1,500 residents. Yeah, we can do that. We got what did he say? His pal's got 80 million.
Yeah.
So
his pal can hook him up.
His pal's got no problem doing such a thing. But
it's
whether or not it becomes transactional, that's my question. If you give people a bunch of Bitcoin, do they immediately start trading in it, or do they just sit there and look at it? Mm-hmm. Which one do they do?
That's the mayor's goal, is to like give them the opportunity to own Bitcoin and let them learn about it, let them transact with it and see how it goes, or just, hold it, invest, whatever.
Just get them involved. Little Bitcoin town, Cool Valley.
Very cool.